Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make a cream cheese Danish. You'll be surprised on how easy it is to make, so let's get started. In a large bowl, I have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of sugar, half a tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 egg yolk, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then using an electric hand mixer, beat until the filling is smooth and creamy. You want to flour your work surface and unfold your thawed puff pastry sheet and begin to roll it out lengthwise about 3 inches. That way your pastry will measure at 9 by 12 inches. Then cut off the top corners and set them aside. Then using your scissors, begin making slits into the dough along both sides. You'll want to make about 9 slits per side. Then you want to cut off these 2 flaps that are on the bottom. This recipe makes 2 danishes, so you're going to split your cream cheese filling among both danishes. You want to keep the filling in the middle of the pastry. Now for the fun part, you want to fold over the top flap and begin crossing over the strips for the braid by just switching from right to left until you get to the last 2 strips. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. If you have a little bit too much pastry on the bottom, you can just cut some off and place aside. Then fold the bottom flap up and cross the last 2 strips over. Place both danishes on a baking sheet that's been prepared with parchment paper. In a small bowl, I have 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water. This is going to be your egg wash that you're going to brush over the danishes. You're going to bake in a preheated 400-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown. Let them cool to room temperature. Now while the danishes are cooling, let's start on the glaze. In a small bowl, I have half a cup of powdered sugar. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. I'm going to mix together while adding in more heavy cream until reach desired consistency. Then drizzle that delicious glaze over the danishes. And these cream cheese danishes are ready. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching!